Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast charts of the day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 15th of July around 10:33 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with another video. Charts of the day is a session within Elliott Wave forecast in which every night we publish a forecast for one instrument out of the 78 instruments that we cover. Charts of the day, you can find it at elliottwaveforecast.com. You scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see, for example, last Thursday, charts of the day was silver. Today, we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones Future. This is the chart of the Dow Jones back on April 12th of this year. When the market was dropping, everyone was thinking that the world was coming to the end, the tariff, my gosh, the stock market is going to crash. So we called the low very earlier. The low happens on the 7th of the month. By the 12th, we were calling the low in place. A technical 3 weeks pullback. And this is right here, the latest charts of the Dow Jones, which it hasn't yet trade into new highs, but soon it will happen. So anyway, it's very technical, 3 weeks pullback, looking for new all-time highs. Now, the Dow Jones from the lows, it has done a very interesting advance, like everyone saw over there. I believe that it can be using Elliott Wave. It can be labeled in many ways. I got two areas of separations, one between these highs and these lows, and another one being created at this moment. What I mean with that is I can go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with an extended one that makes one red, two red, and now I need two more highs to finish that cycle from the April 7 low. Or I can go the other way, in which it is 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the wave 3. There is separation here. This is a wave 4. This is a wave 5. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case, this is the wave 4 in red and only need one more high. When we look and analyze both counts, it's easy to see that buying this trend line over here and buying this simple 3 weeks pullback is not a bad idea. That's how this pullback looks like on the Elliott Wave fair in the 1 hour chart. It looks like a simple ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 backs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Our expectation is a reaction at least from that area. And what we're looking is, like explained before, at least one more high. If this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here, another 4, and another 5, with another 4 and the 5 to come. So 1, 2, 1, 2, then you have 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. You need one more high. So 1 or 2 more highs is possible. It's worth to notice that if you look, and the reason that we label in this way is because the RSI here reset and erase every single divergency presented here. That's why we are going with the idea that we are, which is that we need 2 more highs. No question asked. When you look at it in the highest degree time frame, is a tremendous reaction? Yes, but no question asked. That is close to be completed. And I can play Elliott Wave Aura 1. I can put it this way, which is the alternative. in which we got a nest coming out of the lows. In that case, you can say that you only need one more high, right? You only need one more high. And I like the idea of two more highs to be perfect and be aggressive because of the RSI erasing divergency. But we need to be careful. This is very mature, is almost a 3 month cycle, and the market doesn't run in a straight line. Soon we're gonna see a pullback. In the meantime, Kia, we would like to buy this blue box against these areas, or around against 43,800, looking for at least a reaction higher. That's charts of the day for today. And as always, if you like our video, take this promotion, the 14-day trial, for just 99 cents. And join us and see what will happen in the market within the next 14 days for just 99 cents. Have a good night, everyone.